welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another cleaning video. If you're new around here, hello, my name's Michelle. I am a mum to 3 gorgeous children. I live in sunny Queensland, Australia with my husband Chris and our 3 gorgeous kids, and on my channel you will see lots of cleaning motivation. And it has actually been a couple of weeks since my last cleaning video. I did start a spring cleaning series, but a lot has changed in those couple of weeks. My kids are home full time now, like most children in the whole world, and I have just been settling in with them being at home. We are actually on school holidays this week here in Australia, so my kids are just doing their own thing. I'm letting them relax, chill, watch TV. So I thought this would be the perfect time for me to actually deep clean our family bathroom. This is the bathroom that we all have been using for the past 7 years since we've been renovating this house. If you follow on my Instagram, you'll see that we've nearly completed our ensuite. So Chris and I have actually started using that, which is fantastic. It's been 7 years since we've actually had an ensuite. So there is going to be an ensuite reveal and organized video coming up in the next month or so. But this bathroom looks a lot different to the rest of my home decor style, because when we started renovating and building this house, I was going for more of a modern glam look, and that is so not me. So that is why it looks fairly different to the rest of my house. Don't know why I'm explaining that to you all, but I just thought in case I was wondering why it isn't the same as the rest of my house. This gives you all the cleaning motivation that you need today, and let's get cleaning.
Ooh, yeah. Acted kinda innocent this morning. You don't wanna talk it out. I agree the talking feels pointless. Still it happens every night. You know that I need ya, but I'm so sick of this, not sure I can leave ya. It'd be so hard to quit, but every night that we explode, wish I could walk out that door. Hate that I need ya. Play it cool, just keep on dancing. Soon we'll burn down into ashes, cause you keep playing with matches. Hate that I want you, running out of second chances.
So in this video, you will see me using quite a few amount of products, and in between the using of the products, I do wait for the allocated time that's needed. So it might all be flowing in the video, but there has been at least 10 minutes in between each product or whatever it says on the back. And I never mix products because it's obviously dangerous if you do mix 2 types of products. So if anybody was concerned, and I do change out a lot of my cloths. So I have used about 10 different cloths here, but I keep changing them out the whole time.
You don't wanna live us. It'd be too hard to leave out on all the nights we keep fighting in the taxi. I hate that I need ya, hate that I need ya. Play it cool, just keep on dancing. Soon we'll burn down into ashes.
And I absolutely love using this Dishmatic sponge. I actually don't put product inside the little cylinder, but you can do that. But I find this so much easier on scrubbing the bathroom. And I got this tip from my gorgeous friend Ellis Smith, and I will tag her video down below. But I love Ellis. She has got an awesome cleaning channel, and she lives in Devon in the UK. So if you aren't already following Ellis, which I'm sure you are because she has a very big following, I would highly recommend you go check out her channel.
All I ever wanted was to make us work, cause I don't wanna spend my life without you. Nothing else matters when you say my name. I just want you. Running out of second chances. Whoa, you keep taking me for granted. Whoa, cause I don't wanna do this any longer, but somehow it's too hard to walk away now. Running out of second chances. Whoa, you keep taking me for granted. Whoa, cause I don't wanna do this any longer, but somehow it's too hard to walk away.
If this is your first time watching one of my videos, hello and welcome, and I would love for you to consider clicking that subscribe button and joining my YouTube family. I try to get up at least 2 videos a week, and as I mentioned earlier, I have been a little bit slack the last couple of weeks just with getting the kids all organised with this new change of life that we are all facing. But I will always be trying my hardest to get up some cleaning motivation for you guys. I know that these times are quite tough, and I enjoy watching lots of cleaning videos to motivate me because I do get in a rut sometimes.
Get down with you. The last time I can call you mine. Once more, then I swear we are through. We should still have fun, though we say we're done. 'Cause I just wanna get down with you. The last time I can call you mine. Once more, then I swear we are through.
So you don't know what you're doing, and the walls are closing in. Just remember where we're going, and remember where we've been. We can breathe underwater. Nothing can hurt us anymore. And as long as we're together,
I would love it if you would comment below and let me know who your favourite people to follow on YouTube. I have a couple of people that I enjoy following every week, and I would love to find more people to give me a lot more motivation, or if they're just family vlogs or any type of vlog that just makes you happy in these scary times. I would love for you to comment below and let me know, and I'd love to go check those channels out. Or if you are a YouTube channel yourself, comment below, let me know. I would love to check out your channel as well.
if you ever think it's pointless, I will remind you that it's not. And the world will dance around us. They wanna know what we've got. We can breathe underwater. Nothing can hurt us anymore. And as long as we're together, it doesn't matter where we are. Never leave the ocean's high.
just us. Said we wouldn't be like all the others, fight and hurt each other. Not us, not us. But we let each other down, 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 down. Yeah, we let each other down, 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 down. But we let each other down, 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 down. Yeah, we let each other down, 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 down. This shouldn't be us. Why can't it be us when we caught them? We weren't supposed to break up.
I cannot wait to share with you my Ensuite reveal and organisation video. There has been a sneaky reveal of it on my Instagram, so if you want to head on over to my Instagram, then you get to see things a little bit sooner here than on YouTube. But I have waited so long for my Ensuite, and it's so pretty and it's everything that I wanted, and I'm really super proud of Chris for doing it. It has taken us some time, but Chris does work full time, so we just fit in our renos on the weekend, but it certainly has been worth the wait, and I just cannot wait to share it with you all.
Not us, not us, not us. But we let each other down, 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 down. Yeah, we let each other down, 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 down. But we let each other down, 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 down. Yeah, we let each other down, 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 down. This shouldn't be us. Why can't it be us when we caught them? We weren't supposed to break up. This should to make up to what my heart wanted. This should not be us, not be us, not be us. This should not be us, not be us, not be us. Just us. Said we wouldn't let it come between us. Love will not be us, not us, not us. This shouldn't be us. We weren't supposed to break up. This shouldn't be us. We weren't supposed to break up. This shouldn't be us. We weren't supposed to break up. This shouldn't be us. We weren't supposed to break up.
All night long, yeah. We dance with our razor tongues and all day long, yeah. We reset under burning sun, catching the waves, inhale, exhale. Reminiscing the bygone time, laugh till we cry, days flying by, flying by. Love on delay, push play, let it roll and take you away. Love for a day, replay. We don't care about what they say, and I go on, nah, nah. And you go on, nah, nah. No love on a holiday. 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 All night long. We're running too fast on fumes and all day long, yeah. Lying around with our favorite tune, slumber away, inhale, exhale. Dreaming about summer nights with you, sweeter escape, dream wide awake, yeah.
much for watching, guys. I hope it gave you all the motivation that you needed today. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I would love for you to do so and click that bell notification so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. And also don't forget to come and follow me on Instagram so you can keep up to date every day with me. And I will see you in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.
Push play, let it roll and take you away. Love for the day, replay. We don't care about what they say, and I go on.